Dr. Pratyush Rai. Basically, I am into gynec endoscopy. So another important thing what I have done during this lockdown period is I have refreshed my mathematics with my son Pratham. So both of us are doing Olympiad mathematics together. So this is the biggest gain for me. So this is something new initiative by US Vitamin. As always, they make something out of box. We have learned a lot of new words in this last say 6 months. Lockdown, shutdown, quarantine. So these are new words added to everyone's dictionary. Nobody has used these words previously. So along with all these things, this period has created a lot of panic, a lot of anxiety. But to go to lighter side, so the foodies have enjoyed this period to a hilt. So they have cooked, they have taken various recipes, they have prepared it, and they make their wives prepare something for them. So anyway, they have enjoyed. So today we are going to prepare something not very new, but it is delicious. After my hostel days, so this is probably the first time I am preparing this whole dinner. In between, we used to do some, say, frying some breads, doing tea or coffee. But making whole dinner is possible because of you, Ranjit. Ranjit has made no stone unturned to force me to prepare this. So let's see how it goes. So today's menu will be chili chicken, along with that chow mein. So first we will do the marinating thing, then we will do the vegetables and whatever ingredients are required. Then one by one we will do the things. So the first part in making this chili chicken is marinating the chicken. So here I am getting active tips from my wife Mamta. So let's see how it comes out. So if it comes out good, then the credit goes to her. If it becomes bad, the disrespect goes to me. So let's see. Hope for the best. So first we are taking all these chickens to one pot. Then I am mixing some corn flour. Then this is some maida. Then just 1 spoon of this is yogurt for better marination. Then we are putting some salt. This is the most trickiest part, putting the salt. So I will take really good advice. This much will do, na? Okay. So this much of salt, because it will spoil the whole broth. If we are putting more salt, then it is really bad. Then little bit of this is mirch powder. Okay. So this is red chili powder. Then I am putting some ginger and garlic paste. So we are taking it with this. The whole everything.
Good spoon.
Little bit. This much will do. Okay. Fine. Then I will mix it. Okay, so this is the first step. We will marinate for around half an hour. So in between, we will prepare all the ingredients like the capsicum, garlic, ginger, whatever is required. So in between, we will cut it and keep it ready for the final thing. So now we will prepare the ingredients. So So these are mostly capsicum. This is onion, then garlic and ginger. So this much. Then other powders which are required, we can directly put the powders. So these are the things which need to be fried. So the Mamta told me that this shouldn't be cut halfway. It should be cut fractionally, so that the inner portion will come out easily. You did not cut it lateral. So I am cutting it from the side. The ingredients are ready. This is the final thing. Then we will go on to frying the chicken. Then we will do the cooking. So I am putting one by one so that it will remain separate. So that is the only reason why I am putting it separately and taking little more work and doing little more work and putting it separately. Today both my son and daughter, their studies completely confined to our kitchen. So they are really happy and want US Vitamin to bring these videos every day so that they don't have to read anymore. This is the final step after frying the chicken. So we are bringing it out. Once it is done, then we will go for putting all the ingredients like onion and capsicum. So now we will start frying the spices. So first I am putting the ginger. Along with that, let us put garlic also along with ginger. This is for efficient time management. We are doing the last phase of frying the chicken. Along with this, we are frying the spices, and this is the virus thing I am doing. So this is the best thing we have learned from laparoscopy, that you can use your both hands to maximum benefit. So here, that is the beneficial effect which we have got. So I am just using that practical tips. Now let us put the onion. Onion usually takes little more time than ginger and garlic, because you need to take out that smell, onion smell from the dish. Otherwise, it will just spoil it. So you need to fry the onion little more time. So once it is cooked, let me put the sauce. This is the tomato sauce. We are not using chili sauce as we have two chotus. They will just won't take any chili product. So this is the vinegar, and this is the soya sauce. Once it is done, then we will put some corn flour into it so that the gravy will be better. So this is the final nail in the coffin. So I am putting the chicken into the gravy and it is done. This is complete the final step, and the yummy chili chicken will be ready. So when we are in Revansa College during our puja holidays, the mess remains closed, so we used to cook this. So whatever we cook, it was tasty for us. Had it been less salt, had it been more salt, had it been chili more, so whatever you do, if you cook yourself, it will be palatable to you. So in this way, I think this will also be palatable to all of us. Final product for this dinner, we have egg chow mein along with chili chicken. As the look is good, we think the taste will be better. One thing I just want to specify in this time, that whatever your hobby, say somebody is singing, somebody is doing arts, somebody is doing gardening, whatever you like, just do for few hours in this time. So definitely it is going to decrease your stress level and you will feel really euphoric. So the last 1.5 to 2 hours, whatever I am doing, my mind was completely immersed in that. So it definitely decreases your stress level. Thank you. Thanks a lot.